summer garden is really full of blooms. I was taking around in my terrace garden today, and these five flowers I'll be telling you about are the showstoppers. This is the first bloom of Hoya carnosa flower in my garden. It is also called porcelain flower or wax plant. And the flowers are lovely star shapes and they are in clusters. It, it is a long slender vine actually, and I have let this Hoya vine climb over my chiku or sapota plant so it gets indirect filtered light. I think that is ideal for Hoya. See, it is a very low maintenance plant. I have had this Hoya for nearly 1 year and now it has bloomed today. The other flower which is bloomed, which is a lovely flower, is of Curcuma caesia or black turmeric. Kali haldi का ये flower है. The rhizomes were in the soil itself, and I was out of town. So today I came, I glanced upon all these flowers, and this flower was flowering, must have been flowering for last 4 5 days, and it's a beautiful pink flower, and the leaves of Kali Haldi have a purple line in the middle. Summer is the favorite flowering season of water lilies, and today see the lovely flower of yellow water lily, Nymphaea mexicana, has bloomed. The flowers open around 12 noon and they are open till late afternoon. It is a hardy water lily and every year it starts flowering in May. Today it flowered for the first time this summer. This does not require much care. Actually, it grows like a weed in many countries outside India. I was gifted a small bulb. The bulb is very small, blackish, with some 2 3 leaves, and I had planted that bulb 2 years back. And last year it started giving me flowers, and this year also May now. Today is the first flower of this summer. And these are the yellow roses blooming in my garden today. They look so very elegant and cheerful. And the all year flowering Clitoria ternatea or butterfly pea, it is also called aparajita in Hindi. It is, see the rich purple color of these flowers. It is a double variety and it keeps on flowering in my terrace garden and it grows like a weed. So friends, I have shown these 5 exotic beautiful flowers which are blooming in my garden today. Hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Thank you for watching.